Hello friends, what's going on? So today I'm gonna talk to you about a backpack that's from Thule. It's a Thule Subterra 25 liters. I just got this bag. I got it yesterday from Altitude Sports, and let's have a look inside. Okay, this is the complete bag over here. So what I like about this bag and what I don't like about this bag. So let's go from I don't like. So one thing I don't like about this bag is like when you open this thing, you will see inside here. So there's no zipper in this side. So this zipper, this is the main compartment zipper, and that goes until here only, and it's hollow here, although it this part covers this thing. But I guess like when that's a rain, I mean this bag says it's water resistant. I'm not sure about that thing, I haven't tried that thing. So if it's a water resistance and you go on rain, a simple rain, and if the rain comes sideways, it may enter from here. I'm not sure, it may. So it doesn't look quite safe because like this thing's open. I hope like this would have been a kind of like zipper over here. That's one thing I don't like about this bag. And the second thing I don't like about this bag is like when you have a little more load over here and then you try to zip this thing, it would be really hard. Okay, this time it's easy. So you need two hands to push this thing. Okay, it's not that easy. Like you cannot push this with one hand. Okay, that's one thing or two thing I don't like about. And what I like about this bag is like this compartment, it's very big. And second thing is like when you pull all the loads here, even if it's like heavy, so like you are carrying 10 kg of load, and in other bags when you carry 10 kg of load, it feels very heavy. For this one, no, it doesn't. It feels light. It's because maybe it's the design, or it's this carrying straps and those things. And this thing over here is very nice, it's very cool, and you don't feel much weight inside because of this one. And the other thing, this thing, the laptop compartment, very easy going. You can put your laptop, your iPad, your other things, like what you want to access, like without even touching other things when you are in travel. Say like you're traveling and you are in an airport, you just want to grab your laptop, iPad, or something like your snacks or something, like you can fit a lot of things, not just like laptops and iPad. You can fit your diary, you can a book, a lot of things. And other things I don't like that much about is this, say like safe zone, it's a like sunglass zone. And I don't think I can simply, where's that? I can simply put my sunglass over here because my sunglass may get scratched, or it may get like dot in the glass. So for sure, like I need a sunglass box. I mean the case. So if I have a case with me, I don't need this safe zone compartment because I can put anywhere when I have on my, I mean like sunglass box or like case. So I think this is extra, but I can use this for other use, not for sunglass, maybe some other use, my watch or like my wallet or even passport. Yep. And we have this small compartment over here. You can put your laptop battery or some other things like easy access, like pens or those things. We have one more compartment over here and over here. So here it's a different compartment. Okay, this one's different and this one's different. So here it's very useful for your headphones and maybe other small gears. And this one, it's a very small bag, so I don't know if you want to put some extra things over here. And yeah, this is with this thing. And yeah, while you carry it, you have this thing here. And this thing, it can go up if you want to take it until here, which doesn't look very good for me. And you can take it down if you want to, or if you feel like you can take it to adjust it to the middle, you can do that. And yes, so even I like without this thing, because when I'm not, if I unzip this, yeah, I zip this thing, so this strap comes all the way to my neck, and sometimes I feel not very easy. If I'm riding my bike, yeah, this thing is good. Otherwise, while just walking down the street or like just traveling, it doesn't really look good. This way, yeah, it looks cool, and I doesn't feel very weight, too much weight on my backpack. So this is Thule Subterra, 25 liters. I would recommend you buying this bag. So I bought this bag for like $180 Canadian with some discounts, so I paid $150. And so with that price range, I think like it's a great bag. But if you want to go for other options, yeah, there's other options as well. What matters, what differs this bag and other bags is like the bag quality. Okay, and then this quality over here, this padded thing over here, you don't find this in all the bags, like cheap bags. So it protects your laptop, your iPad. Even if you throw something just in a bag, it'll protect it. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in next videos. Thank you.